So guys, we are off around Anglesey to give Rosemary Shrager a tour with some of our most favourite suppliers. Take a look. I mean, who better to take on a road trip than Rosemary Shrager? And I wanted to just show her all the suppliers I've used here for the past 15 years and the quality of the produce in North Wales. Plus, nice little day out with Rosemary Shrager. It's going to be a bit of a laugh, isn't it? Raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. What do we used to sing? My granddad was like, raindrops keep falling on my head. Oh no, I'm asleep, I've just wet the bed. I used to wet the bed something terrible, you know, Rosemary. I used to have to wear armbands to bed. I used to go to bed in a dinghy.
No, I didn't believe that.
I'm not joking, honestly. My mum had to have her own laundrette. I love it. I love hitting the road. I love seeing our suppliers, and I love showcasing our area and our postcode. Cwt Caws. Caws is cheese, by the way.
Cows,
Yeah.
okay.
And Marram is smoke. So the first stop on the list is Cwt Caws. Nigel Jeffries. Been using them for years here. Used to have the little Sicilia on our Anglesey goat cheese breakfast. And the smoke products he's doing are next level. So yeah, hats off Nigel. There's trouble.
Hello. Wow, well, I tell you, this is fantastic.
So everything we smoke is in the bar fridge.
Yes, can we have a taste?
No, we're going to put Rosemary in the fridge.
Yes, you're going to put me in the fridge, aren't you? Right, so everything can be eaten now.
Yes, of course it can.
Rosemary is starving.
I want to taste it. Taste
Look at all
it.
this.
Oh, the goat
Look,
cheese.
Sicilia, which is the round cheese, used to be a main favourite for the chefs at Marram.
Yeah, we used to use this on our breakfast.
Is it?
Sicilian breakfast.
Did you really?
Yeah, we used to cut it in half and then grill it.
And then grill it off?
Yeah.
How delicious
You've got to
is
say it in
that?
the Scouse accent. Grill it.
A grill?
You've got to grill it.
I could grill it.
Grill it.
Grill it.
Grill it with chicken.
Grill it with chicken. Grill it with chicken. I'll tell you what, come on, let's have a taste of this.
Come on, chefs.
Sizes, so you get the
Ooh.
small ones.
Stop
and
it, isn't it?
the little ones.
That is lovely.
That's nice, Ed.
That is delicious.
Like some?
Now this, that's
Yes,
that's the nicest mackerel I've probably ever tasted. This nicest smoked mackerel. How do you pronounce your name?
A cooked moog.
Well, here we are. A cooked more. Cook.
Or in Scouse, it cut maug.
Cooked moog. Yeah, cooked moog. That's a very mild cheese, as you said. And it would actually be good for a salad or something like that. As you were saying, grill it. Oh,
For me, supporting local suppliers is just so important. I just love I love the relationship. I love the fact that a lot of these local suppliers are much smaller companies. You're supporting directly families who've got craft, who are creative, who are producing products that are tasty, authentic. You just don't want to lose that. I just don't want to see those places slowly dissipate because we're stuck in the supermarkets, you know. Oh, there he is. How are you?
This is the
Hello.
cheese blender.
hello,
Nice to
hello.
meet you.
I'm very glad to meet you.
Hello there.
I love the mackerel. I love the chicken so much, but I love mackerel.
You want to try the feta? Go for it.
It's perfect. I wouldn't want to do anything
What
to it.
score would we give that on the on Cooking with the Stars, Rosemary?
Oh my God, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
It goes to show that there are good producers all over the country.
I tell you what there are. All over the country.
All over the country.
They're passionate about what they do. They don't actually make a lot of money because they're so passionate about their product, an individual product. But actually, that's where you've got to support people who really put passion into what they do.
Today, like the best thing about local produce is relationships as well.
We are people who work very hard, but it's great to have
Feedback.
Finish it.
feedback and to
That
produce
big bit.
products that people like and support and buy.
Nice to see you.
Okay, guys, take care. Diolch yn fawr.
There you go, a bit of Welsh, goodbye.
Och yn fawr.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Nice.
Croeso.
Croeso.
Croeso. Och yn
Diolch yn fawr,
fawr.
thank you very much. What's goodbye?
Ta-ta.
Ta-ra. Ta-ra.
Ta-ta.
Well, well. We're getting there. Oh. Yo, you can tell by the way I use my walk. Woman's man, no time to talk. Oh, God. So you need to send pigeons out to this way now, there's no signals. So next on the tour, Anglesey Fine Foods, Valley.
Perfect.
Let's rock and roll. This way. Left
You
beam.
realise we've got a chauffeur and we've got a
I
cameraman.
know, it's brilliant, isn't it?
True.
You don't need £1 million to make a TV show.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Hello. How are you? I can't see you.
Rosemary, do you want to come and have a look in
Yes,
the shop?
please.
Come on.
Yes, please.
Look at this.
Well done. Oh, wow. What are you doing with all those?
Planning an attack.
Oh, look at this. Is this wonderful stuff? I love it. I love my knives.
Here's the knife man here, look.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, you're the knife man. How are you?
Very well.
Show me a knife.
They're very popular at the moment. Savanac, British.
Oh, actually, that's a nice handle for my hands. Knives are really important. They are a lifelong investment.
But this is it's very rare now though that you can actually go to a shop and
No,
actually look at
you
a knife.
can't. I've never
You know,
seen
this is
this.
actually brilliant.
This is the most fabulous dish.
Yeah,
That
okay.
particular one. This is gorgeous.
It's like remember Michael Jackson went round Las Vegas buying everything.
Yes, I do. You went with it.
One of them. Anglesey Fine Foods, Joe and Adam. The best part of Anglesey Fine Foods, well, there's two real good parts. Is Joe really gives a shit about the producers and the product and the meat and whatnot that she's using. But the best part, and you need to ask her what's in the salt chamber and buy it. That is what you want to ask Joe. There's not many people who have those salt chambers across North Wales, and it makes such an impact on the end product. So for me, get yourself a nice salt aged, dry aged ribeye from Joe. Best in, well, I'm going to say it, best in North Wales at the minute. I might get shot. Rosemary, you know whilst we're here, one thing I do need, we've got pip coming up at the weekend.
Oh, good.
And we need to get some lamb. We need lamb.
Yeah,
We do nice slow shoulders of lamb.
That would be nice.
no problem.
Tell us a bit about the lamb, what we got.
What have we
All
got?
singing, all dancing.
Which breed?
Rare breed.
Rare breed.
Not giving any more away than that just yet.
Okay.
Because we're competing with it.
Oh, really?
And we are, fingers crossed.
Which show?
I'm not going to say. Just.
Okay, okay, this is really keeping close to your
It's
chest.
very, very close.
Okay.
Put 6 shoulders aside.
Yeah,
Then
Cool.
we'll take that off you.
yeah.
Nice
Okay.
one, Joe.
Not a problem at all.
Only the best for our
Only the
guests.
best. You've got a little piece. I might take a tiny piece to taste
Yeah. What cut?
with me. I think shoulder. I love shoulder.
Yeah.
I'm a shoulder
Chef's
lady.
Well, I'll
our
have 5
shoulder
shoulders then
fans.
It's
instead.
got more, it's got more. Oh, look at that.
Nice and dry as well.
Lovely.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. Oh, it means it's well, lovely hand, properly hand.
She doesn't stop, does she, eh? Cooks all weekend, cooks all day, cooks all night.
Well, that's what you do. You don't
Never
stop.
cooks a pan of shit. You know what I mean?
Hello.
Can you get back to you?
I know you.
Oh, hi, just come on.
Yeah.
That's how I do.
Oh, it's lovely to see you.
You
I cannot wait to try this lamb.
Yeah.
I said to Ellis I wanted to go and meet a few people.
Yeah.
Did not have a bonus meeting you at the same time.
Yeah.
So this is
Do
wonderful.
a picture of the other.
Come on, let's open
And Ellis
Ellis.
as well.
Come on, Ellis. Come on, Ellis. Come on.
Yeah. Well, I'm stinking of sheep, sorry.
It's alright. You take Joe with as well, though. Joe, come on, it's just one.
Well done. Good job.
Nice one, mate. See you soon.
Lovely to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye. Here we go again.
Oh, I've got a good one.
Man of means, by no means, king of the road.
For me, it's all about eating your postcode. You know, you can't have a better environmental impact than getting your goat cheese from there rather than 2,000 miles that way. You know, you see a sheep in the field there, but yet you're eating avocados from South America. You've got to ask yourself, you've got to ask some questions. Right, we're going over now to see Carrie over in Bethesda with Cosyn Cymru, lovely sheep's cheese. And what I love about Carrie is she's always trying to break the moulds and trying to come up with something new. She converted this chapel into a cheese making factory.
I hope she prays to God every day.
Got a special visitor.
Right.
Carrie, this is Rosemary.
Hello, how are you? So lovely to be here.
Oh, well, I mean, it's just great to have you here. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm going to look at everything you do.
We do sheep's milk.
Okay.
A little lactic cheese. Then we also do a range of hard sheep's cheeses.
Have you seen through the window, Rosemary? Come and have a look.
Yes, I want to see.
This is the sheep's cheese, the bread bar.
Yes, which I really want to taste.
These lads are all on work experience.
Yes, oh, fabulous. Fabulous. That's really important.
Yeah.
Because this really is something special.
Yeah.
Right, well, we've got bready bach, and there's each and every batch is a little bit different. And we've had such a weird season. The milk is, even though the grass is growing beautifully, the milk has just been
See, I think that's delicious.
Yeah.
been all over the place. But
That's really interesting because the aftertaste really goes a lot deeper. The actual the skin on the top, it's got more of ammonia slightly coming through at the back. Oh, it's lovely.
Salt content's nice as well. Isn't it?
You want it, the salt content's very good. Yeah, I love that.
this might be a bit much, actually, I think, possibly.
That's actually really quite.
That's my favourite so far.
Oh, really?
Got
There
a-
we are.
That's got a. I really like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So do I.
I think those are my two favourites.
Yeah. That's a nice skill.
That's a very nice. I was just thinking of that. That's a very nice school. I like it. Thank you so much. That was such an education, seriously. And also, if you wanted how to wrap round cheeses.
Well-
also, it's really interesting. I think for me, I love cheese. I've done cheese awards and things like this, and it's always lovely because when you're looking for certain things like you don't want it too salty, you want it to have a nice aftertaste, you put enough strength and all this different thing. It's fantastic. I love it. But you're there too with this. I love that, and also I love the way you experiment.
Well, thank you so much. I mean,
You'll see
feedback
me
is
again.
so useful, and
Yes.
we really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
Last but not least, on the trip today, the one and only Halen Môn. I've always been inspired by these guys, and I love what they do. I love how they push North Wales, and most of all, their product is outstanding. You all right, mate?
Oh yes, coffee please. Let me get this. Coffee.
Right guys, so we're going on a tour. We're not going to film it. We want you to come here, jump on a tour and experience it for yourself. So, we're going on a tour, we're turning this off, and then we're going to have a little bit of tasting.
First of all, you should be able to take a pinch of it and break it down with your finger and your thumb. It's not.
Oh yes.
We don't dry it hard like rock salt. We leave
Okay.
moisture in there, and when you taste it, it should be salty.
Sweet. It is quite sweet.
Yeah.
It is.
it,
It's got
yeah.
that sweetness.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Oh, and
that's
it's
isn't it right at
and
the
it's
end it comes
subtle.
through?
It's got a. It's subtle, and it breaks
I
down.
like the
It breaks down. I really like that. It breaks down beautifully.
I'm really proud about what we do here. I mean, obviously, when you taste it, there's once you use our salt, there's no going back. On here, this is our umami number 2. You can see the texture of it. It's ground down. We add a nutritional yeast, like a brewer's yeast,
Yes.
chili, garlic, sugar, and cumin.
Okay.
It tastes a little bit like when you've had peanuts, and then when you finish the peanuts and you dip it into that salt at the end. But there's no nuts in it, so you're safe if you've got a nut allergy. Yeah.
Oh god, that's nice, isn't it?
That is really nice. It's lovely. Who's that?
Got business behind you.
Oh, the bosses. We need that.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Hiya. It's quite frankly lovely, delicious.
Oh,
Thank you.
thanks so much for
I
coming.
love the umami.
Oh, it's good.
I love the umami. That's my favourite.
That's unbelievable, that, yeah.
Wow. Lovely. I'm thrilled with my umami.
We go again!
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
I think yes, thank you so much. Lovely to meet you too. And very exciting.
Absolutely.
See you later, take care.
Give me that. Yeah. Stop now.
Okay guys, if you've liked this video, like, subscribe, but what I want you to do is to go out and support your local suppliers and your local producers. For me, you've got the flavour, you've got the craft, and you're building relationships by doing so, and you're having a very good conscience about the local economy and the environment. It's important to me. I want it to be important to you. So if you like what we've done with this video, there's going to be lots of content coming about local produce, North Wales produce, Anglesey produce. And then if that keeps going, We'll conquer the whole of Britain. But I just want to showcase quality suppliers who care, who make good quality products. And I want to show you guys where you can access that. Eat your postcode. Eat your postcode.